Manipur Lengaki Security Advisor Kuldiep ngasi Jiribam de laktuna district asida lokhatliba security arrangement singi fibam yengsinkre. Jiribam da makhata na pamdaba thokdok sing thoktanaba security gi ahenba cheksel thorang lokhatpa haure haina security advisor Kuldiep na phongdorakli. Security advisor asina ngasi ayuk akhanaba helicopter amada Jiribam da thunglaba matung tongan ba security force sing officer sing yauna district asida lokhatliba security arrangement ki matang da khanakhi. Khongchar aduga mari leinana security advisor asina Jiribam da misti mina yauna tongan ba pamdaba thokdok kaya thokpadagi district asida leidiba security arrangement sing yengsin bane district asida thokiba tongan ba thokdok mari leinana NIA na case ahum lokhatuna thizin ba hokre makhata na pamdaba thokdok sing thoktana ba masing yamlaba security force sing mafam kaya da mathok tawba haure haina phongdokhi
see the series of incidents which have happened and the kind of forces coming, how forces have been deployed, and to see that such incidents do not happen anymore. 3 cases which happened here, 3 cases have been given to NIA and NIA is investigating the cases. Development, I will have to, they will be able to tell, they have not briefed me. Whenever next I meet them, I will try to find out.